What if I told you that the future of smartphone photography is here? And it's called the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, packed with a jaw-dropping 200 MP periscope telephoto lens, a 1-inch Sony sensor, and Leica-tuned optics. This phone is redefining what's possible with mobile cameras. But that's just the beginning. From its stunning 2K display to the powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is shaping up to be the ultimate flagship of 2025. So, is this the smartphone to beat this year? Stick around to find out. Xiaomi has built a reputation for delivering cutting-edge flagship smartphones at competitive prices. With each Ultra model, the company has pushed boundaries to rival top brands like Samsung, Apple, and OnePlus. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is no exception. It aims to redefine smartphone photography while offering premium hardware and software. Recent leaks and reports confirm that the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will officially launch in February 2025, first in China, then in global markets. If past trends are anything to go by, we can expect this device to set a new benchmark in performance, design, and camera capabilities. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra maintains the signature Ultra series design, featuring a massive circular camera island that instantly grabs attention. However, Xiaomi has made some noticeable refinements. Unlike the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, the new design adopts a cleaner, more traditional frame, making it feel even more premium. One striking design element is the red accent ring around the camera module, adding a bold touch to the aesthetics. The back panel features a textured glass finish, which not only looks stunning but also improves grip. The phone is expected to be available in classic black and white color options, with rumors of an exclusive ceramic variant for those who prefer a luxury feel. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the camera setup. Xiaomi has always placed a strong emphasis on photography, and with the 15 Ultra, the company is taking things to the next level. According to leaks, this device will feature a quad-camera system, each sensor carefully chosen to deliver professional-grade photography that could rival DSLRs. At the core of the setup is the main sensor, a 1-inch Sony LYT900 sensor, designed to capture ultra-clear images with high dynamic range and exceptional detail. This sensor is expected to offer superior low-light performance, ensuring bright and noise-free shots, even in challenging conditions. Next, we have the periscope telephoto lens, which is where Xiaomi truly pushes the boundaries. This groundbreaking 200-megapixel sensor will be one of the highest resolution telephoto cameras ever seen in a smartphone. With this, users can expect crystal clear zoom capabilities, allowing for distant subjects to be captured with precision without losing detail. For ultra-wide shots, Xiaomi has opted for a 50-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL JN5 sensor, ensuring that wide-angle photos remain sharp, distortion-free, and rich in color accuracy. Whether you're capturing landscapes or group photos, this sensor guarantees stunning results. Completing the setup is a short-range telephoto lens and another 50-megapixel sensor, which will provide optical zoom without sacrificing quality. This lens ensures that mid-range zoom shots maintain their sharpness and clarity, making it ideal for portrait photography and everyday shooting scenarios. With Xiaomi's AI-powered image processing and Leica-tuned optics, the 15 Ultra is expected to deliver breathtaking image quality that could redefine smartphone photography. Night photography is also set to see major improvements, thanks to advanced computational algorithms that enhance detail, reduce noise, and balance lighting. If these rumors hold true, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra could become one of the best camera smartphones ever released. A premium flagship isn't complete without an exceptional display, and the Xiaomi 15 Ultra certainly doesn't disappoint. Xiaomi has always been known for delivering stunning screens, and this time, the brand is pushing the boundaries even further. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply browsing, the 15 Ultra's display promises an unparalleled viewing experience. The device will feature a 6.8-inch 2K AMOLED LTPO display designed to deliver vibrant colors, deep blacks, and razor-sharp details. The AMOLED panel ensures true-to-life color reproduction, making every image and video pop with rich contrast and high brightness levels. Whether you're indoors or out in direct sunlight, this display is built to perform flawlessly in all lighting conditions. One of the standout features is the 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, which provides ultra-smooth animations and fluid scrolling. This technology allows the display to dynamically adjust its refresh rate depending on the content being viewed, ensuring a balance between power efficiency and smoothness. Whether you're gaming at high frame rates or scrolling through social media, the experience will feel buttery smooth. To further enhance visual fidelity, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will support Dolby Vision and HDR10+, bringing cinema-grade quality to your smartphone. These technologies ensure deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and a wider range of colors, making movies and videos appear more immersive than ever. With a peak brightness of 3000 nits, outdoor visibility will be exceptional, allowing users to use their phone even under direct sunlight comfortably. Durability is also a key focus, and Xiaomi has equipped the 15 Ultra with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, providing strong resistance against scratches and minor drops. This ensures that your screen stays pristine and protected even with everyday wear and tear. Security features are seamlessly integrated into the display, with an under-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock technology. This combination offers fast and secure access to the device, ensuring both convenience and safety. With state-of-the-art display technology, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is set to deliver a premium visual experience, making it one of the best smartphone screens in the market. At the core of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra lies the Snapdragon 8 Elite, Qualcomm's latest and most powerful chipset. This cutting-edge processor delivers lightning-fast performance, ensuring seamless multitasking, lag-free gaming, and effortless handling of demanding applications. Whether you're editing high-resolution videos, running AI-driven tasks, or playing graphics-intensive games, the Snapdragon 8 Elite ensures everything runs smoothly. Xiaomi has also optimized power efficiency using AI-driven algorithms, allowing the phone to maximize battery life without compromising performance. Enhanced thermal management ensures the device stays cool under heavy loads, preventing overheating. Running on Android 15 with Xiaomi's HyperOS 2, the software experience will be smoother, faster, and more intuitive, offering faster app launches, fluid animations, and a highly customizable UI. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra introduces a major upgrade with its impressive 6,000 mAh battery. Thanks to power efficiency optimizations, it offers up to 2 days of battery life with moderate usage. For those in a rush, the 90W wired fast charging can fully charge the device in just 30 minutes, keeping you powered up quickly. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra takes connectivity to the next level with a range of advanced features. It offers 5G dual SIM support, allowing for ultra-fast data speeds so you can stream, download, and browse without interruptions. With Wi-Fi 7 compatibility, the phone ensures superior wireless performance, delivering faster, more reliable connections for all your online activities. Bluetooth 5.4 further enhances the experience by offering seamless and stable audio connections for wireless devices like headphones and speakers. In addition to these top-tier connectivity options, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra also boasts satellite connectivity. This ensures you'll always have reliable signal reception, even in remote or challenging environments, so you're always connected, no matter where you are. On top of all that, the phone comes equipped with stereo speakers tuned by Harman Kardon, delivering rich, immersive sound for movies, music, and gaming. Whether you're watching videos or enjoying music, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra promises a premium audio experience. While official pricing has not yet been confirmed, leaks suggest that the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will be priced at around $1,299 for the base model. This aligns with the pricing strategy of previous Ultra models and directly competes with other premium flagships like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Pre-orders are expected to begin shortly after the February 2025 launch event, with the global release happening within weeks. So, is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra the ultimate smartphone of 2025? If you're looking for top-tier camera performance, long battery life, a stunning display, and cutting-edge processing power, then this phone is a strong contender. With its 200MP periscope camera, Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and HyperOS 2 optimizations, Xiaomi is setting a new standard in the smartphone industry. Whether you're a content creator, mobile gamer, or photography enthusiast, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is shaping up to be an excellent investment. But now I want to hear from you. What features excite you most about the Xiaomi 15 Ultra? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications for more tech updates.